Hi, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to change up reading just a little today, and we're going to play a game, and it's called Toothy. Some of you have played Toothy before, maybe some of you haven't, but I think we've played it a few times throughout the year, so hopefully all of you have at least played once with me. If you haven't, this is what you need. Are you ready? You need a pencil. You need a paper. Pencil, a paper. That's all you need. Can you make sure you go and get your pencil and your paper? Go ahead and pause the video if you need to go grab your pencil and your paper for me, okay? If you're not pausing, then I'm going to assume you have all your stuff and we're going to keep on moving. Make sure you can just pause the video if you don't have your items. Okay, so how we play Toothy. You need to draw some type of head, okay? Make it kind of small if you only have one piece of paper. Like if you have a piece of paper, turn it this way. Put the head up at the top and leave room down at the bottom to work. So don't make it too big or you're not going to have room to do your work, okay? You just need to make some type of face. It could be a boy, a girl, a dog, a pig, whatever you want to make it, as long as it's some type of face with a smile that doesn't have any teeth. No teeth. And it needs to be a nice big smile so you can draw the teeth inside. I'm going to give you 1 minute to draw your head. I'm starting my timer now. You have about 25 seconds left to finish drawing your head. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, your time is up to draw your head. We are moving on to playing the game. So how this works is Mrs. Arnold has some cards here with some pictures on them. Some of them are CVC words, which means 3 letters, right? CVC. And some are CVC E words with long E, with bossy E on it, okay? So Mrs. Arnold has some pictures. She's going to say the word, and you have to write the word. Mrs. Arnold highly recommends you write it kind of small so you have lots of room to write all our words, because today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 words. And each word that you get correct, you get to add a tooth to your person. If you don't get it correct, you cannot add a tooth. That's how this game works, okay? And it's okay if you don't get it correct because we are learning and mistakes are good, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Our first word is van. Can you write van for me? Stretch it out and write the sounds. You should be just about done writing that word if you're not done already. I'm going to give you 10 more seconds to finish writing that word. Van. Okay, when we stretch it out, we hear V, which is a V, V, and remember, A-N makes up that and sound. Okay, so if you got it correct, go ahead and add a tooth on your person. You just add a little tooth. If you did not get it correct, that's okay. We have lots more to do. Okay, moving on to our next word. Our next word, oh, this is an easy one. I should have started with this one. Mop. Write me mop. This one's so easy. Definitely should have started with this one. What was I thinking? It even gives you a hint. You have 2 short letters and a long letter, and the long letter drops down below. If you were struggling with mop, which I know you guys aren't. 5 more seconds, then we're spelling mop together. Here we go. Okay, how do I write mop? Did you get it right? M-O-P. If you got it right, you may add another tooth to your little person. Or animal. I don't really know what you drew. I wish I did know. I miss you guys. If you did not get it right, it's okay. There's lots more. Which one should I pick next? Let's do, since that one was so easy, I gotta make it a little bit harder. Let's do this one. Okay, here's your new word. Your new word is pane, like a window pane. Pane. If you are unsure, look at how many boxes there are. I'm just trying to help you. Pane. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay. Pane. Now, you paid attention. There are 4 boxes. So how many letters should you have? 4 letters. Here we go. P. A. N. This guy says his name, though, so what has to be at the end? An E. Did you get that E on the end? If you got it correct, you get to add another little tooth somewhere. If you did not, it is okay. That was our first one with that bossy E mixed in. It's all good. Don't get frustrated. Remember, mistakes are the way our brain learns. Getting it right, our brain actually doesn't really learn anything. But if we get it wrong, our brain learns a lot. Here we go. Here's our next word. Let's do this one. Yeah, this one. 10. Write me the word 10, not the number. Write the word 10. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Let's write 10. Here we go. Eh. What letter says eh? E. Did I get some of you? Eh. If you spelled it correct, you may have a tooth. If you did not, you don't get a tooth, but it's okay. I bet some of us might have slipped an I in there instead of that E. E and I, they sound very similar, but they are different. If you got it right, add that tooth. If not, it's okay. We are learning. Here's our next word. Let's do win. Win. Like I win. Hi, Abby. Did you just come to say hi? Hello. Win. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Here we go. Ready? W, I, W, I. And if you got it correct, add another 2. If you did not, that's okay. We still have more to go. We're going to pick up our speed here a little. Now your brain should be warmed up, so I want you to try to write it as fast as you can. You are not going to get as long to write. So that means if it's not done when my time is up, then you don't get your tooth, okay? So here we go. Let's write this one. Tube, tube. Look at your boxes closely. Remember, I said you don't get as much time. You have about 10 seconds. 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know you didn't get as much time, but that was the whole point, is to try to make this a little bit faster. So tube is a harder one because you hear t-oob. And we've learned about oob, but we're going to talk about that in a second. What's that first sound? T. So a T. T-ooh. Tube. Now, it's not double O because there's not enough room for double O. There'd be 2 short boxes here. It is a vowel, so it's either A, E, I, O, or U. So which other letter sounds very close to tube? Tube. It's a U. T-U. B, E. If you got it correct, you get a tooth. I know I went faster on that one, but we've got to get faster. Okay, here's our next word. Let's do this one. Pole. Pole. The flag hangs on a pole. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Pole. P, O, L, E. Pole. If you got it correct, you know the drill. Let's see, where's that? I'm going to do one right next to that one. And here is our next word. Bun. My hot dog goes in a bun. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B, U, N. If you got it correct, add your tooth. If you didn't, it's all good. Don't get upset. It's just a game. Our next word, jet. Jet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, jet. J-E-T. Jet. If you got it right, add your 2. We have 2 more words left. Here's one of them. Rug. 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 Bye. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's write that word. Ready? R-U-G. I'm sorry I said bye in the middle of our video. Mr. Arnold has to go to work, so he was letting me know he was leaving. And Abby's not too happy, which is why she keeps barking. We have one more word. Here we go. Let's see if you can get our last word. It is a CVCE word. It is the number 9. Write me the word for the number 9. Ten, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's write that last word together. I made that one really fast, didn't I? Ready? Here we go. N-I-N-E. 9. That is the end of our game today. If you would like to, I would love to see your toothy head. So please send me a picture of it on Class Dojo under the assignments. There will be one for your toothy head so I can see how many teeth you got. And hopefully you were honest and only drew the teeth that were supposed to be there, because we know that being an Atwater All-Star, we have to show heart at all times, even when we're not at school. And part of heart is being trustworthy. And part of being trustworthy is always telling the truth and only getting teeth when we earned them. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you loved our game today. We're going to do lots more Toothy. I love Toothy. It's one of my favorite games to play. Thank you so much, and I will see you later. Bye.